Hello, Steve here with your Tentec Rx-320 receivers. This is the first of four. This video is going to be a little longer than the other ones because I'm pointing out a few things. Here we have the new USB port that has replaced the serial port. Here's the BNC receptacle that we fitted. Up top I've taped the remains of the DSP chip that had failed on this unit. And this radio now is fitted with a new green LED. I want to point out some things first. If you note my computer monitor, I've got the device manager screen up at the moment. And when I plug in the USB port, you hear the computer discover the USB port. Now we've already gone through the motions, and when I open up the COM port settings, there's the new, it still claims to be a USB serial port, but it's serial port from a software standpoint only. There is no vestiges of USB left in this radio. The Rx-320 transceiver chip has been removed. One of the things you're going to have to do when you first plug in this radio, the unit will discover and automatically download the device drivers. So the computer is going to have a connection to the internet. Once it has all the drivers installed, you're going to need to come to the device manager and double click on this tab showing the USB serial port adapter, and then bring up the port settings and then the advanced. Now, when I first hooked this up, the unit discovers it and automatically picked COM port 13. Now my software, which is rather old, does not allow anything beyond COM port 4. So I had to come over here and do the drop down and then pick up COM port 3 and then click OK. And since I had used COM port 3 before, it was expecting to see that device again, and it said, you really want to do this, and you click on yes, and then OK, and then OK there. And then you have to go and open up your software. In this case, I use the program from, I forget the guy's name. Anyway, bear with me for a moment while I plug in the remaining connections. All right. Okay, it's powered up. Now I'm going to turn, you can see the green LED is illuminated. As you can see, it's receiving something on the 40-meter band.
I just would not allow myself to cheat at all. And I know it was tempting.
One of the local broadcast stations.
I just...
And as you can see, the radio is working perfectly. It's been calibrated and everything's working good. The main problem with this was the DSP chip. It's the first one I've ever seen fail. Fortunately, I had another unit here that I could borrow the chip from and put into your unit in order to get it working again. At any rate, I'll replace that chip somewhere down the road and carry on with the repairs of that other radio at some other time. All right, well, that's the heart and soul of the whole process. I'm going to demonstrate a couple more radios for you, the remaining 3 radios, and hope you found this informative. Thank you.